Hi, hello, welcome to Maths Guru channel. In this video, I am going to explain exercise 7.2, sixth question. Sixth question is given that construct the class boundaries for the following frequency distribution table. Also, construct less than cumulative and greater than cumulative frequency table. So, for both, we should construct less than and greater than cumulative frequencies. See here, age is given, number of children given. Number of children 10 in the age of 1 to 3 years. Number of children 12, age of 4 to 6 years. Like that given. Okay, now for this data we should construct a less than cumulative frequency as well as greater than cumulative frequency. See directly here, see class interval age is given and number of children that we can consider as frequency. Okay, so number of children given. Now we should first find out the boundaries of our classes. Already previous videos I said boundaries how to calculate, right? Here simply for lower, these are the lower limits, these are the upper limits, right? See, for the lower limits just you should subtract 0.5. 0.5 less we can consider, I said, no? So here 1 is there, no? Lower limit, so lower boundary 0.5. 4 is there, no? 3.5. 7 in 6.5. 10 9.5. 13 12.5. So 0.5 less we will take. So you will get that lower boundary. Next for the upper boundary, here 3.5 we can take. Okay, 0.5 we should add for each and every number. Okay, see 3 3.5, 6 6.5, 9 9.5, 12 12.5, 15 15.5. So 0.5 we should add to get the upper boundary. So these are the lower boundaries, these are the upper boundaries. Now for this, now we can construct a less than cumulative frequency, greater than cumulative frequency. For less than cumulative frequency, these frequencies from top to bottom we should take. So first frequency as it is we should write. Next second frequency. For this second less than cumulative frequency, how you will get? Just by adding successively, progressively we should add. So 10 plus 12, 22. 22 plus 15, 37. 37 plus 13, 50. Okay, 50 plus 9, 59. Progressive sum. Progress means increasing. Progressive sum of the frequencies called a less than cumulative frequency. From top to bottom, right? Now for the greater than cumulative frequency, we should consider bottom to top. So 9 as it is. Now here we should write 9 as it is, no? Now 13 plus 9 we should consider 13 plus 9. 13 plus 9, 22. 22 plus 15, 37. 37 plus 12, 49. 49 plus 10, 59. Like this we can construct a greater than cumulative frequency. That's it. Okay, I hope you understood, right? Once you can take the screenshot and you can write in your classwork. Next I am going to explain 7th question. See here, cumulative frequency table is given below. Which type of cumulative frequency is given? Try to bold the frequencies of respective class intervals. Okay, here class intervals given, number of cricketers given. Okay, now we should we should say which type of cumulative frequency is this. Okay, type of cumulative frequency, whether it is less than cumulative frequency or greater than cumulative frequency, we can say. First, before going to find that, first look at the frequencies. Number of cricketers means frequencies. Okay, so here once you can observe 3, 8, 19, 25, 30. So frequencies are increasing, right? Frequencies are increasing. Now see, in the given table frequencies are increasing from top to bottom, right? So from top to bottom we are taking means increasing means, so we can call that is a less than cumulative frequency distribution table. Yes or no? Less than cumulative frequency, it will increasing from top to bottom. So top to bottom it is increasing, no? So like that. Now here we can take, see, frequency as it is 3. Now 8 minus 3, 5. 19 minus 8, 11. 25 minus 19, 6. 30 minus 25, 5. 3, 5, 11, 6, 5. Okay, frequencies we should get, no? So that is the 7th one. Next, required less than cumulative frequency distribution table, final distribution table, this one. Okay, you can take less than cumulative frequency as 3, 8, 19, 25, 30, right? Frequency what we got here, 3, 5, 11, 6, 5. This is the final table. Okay, you should use the scale and you should draw the table properly. Here just roughly I did the table. Okay, next, 7th one completed, no? 8th one, number of readers in a library are given below. Write the frequency of respective classes. Also write the less than cumulative frequency table. Number of books here greater than cumulative frequency 42, 36, 23, 14 and 6. We should write the frequency of respective classes, no? Here 8th one, see, greater than cumulative frequency given. Now frequency, how to find out? Just we can subtract. 42 minus 36, 6. Next, 36 minus 23, 13. Now 23 minus 14, 9. 14 minus 6, 8. 6 as it is we should write. Next, less than cumulative frequency. Here we should take 6 as it is. Why? Because from top to bottom we should go, no? 6 as it is. 13 minus, sorry. Now we should add 6 plus 13, 19, 19 plus 9, 28, 28 plus 8, 36, 36 plus 6, 42. Less than cumulative frequency. The required frequency distribution table. Here horizontally you can write class intervals, greater than cumulative frequency 42, 36, 23, 14, 6. Next frequencies 6, 13, 9, 8, 6. This only 6, 13, 9, 8, 6. Next, less than cumulative frequency, this one 6, 19, 28, 36, 42. This is the final table. Required frequency distribution table is this. Okay, should use the scale and should draw table properly. Okay, I hope you understood. Thank you.